Hello everyone, welcome to Channel TV. What are the three primary colors of light? Answer: red, green, blue. What is the process by which plants use sunlight to create food? Answer: photosynthesis. Which organ in the human body pumps blood? Answer: heart. In what century did World War I take place? Answer: 20th century, 1914, 1918. Who is considered the father of modern physics? Answer: Albert Einstein. What was the name of the first artificial satellite launched into the space? Answer: Sputnik 1, Soviet Union, 1957. Which book won the 2024 Pulitzer Prize for Fiction? You can replay this with the most recent year. Answer: this answer will change year to year. You can find the latest winner through a web search for Pulitzer Prize for Fiction. Who directed the movie Avatar? Answer: James Cameron. What is the name of the most watched TV show of all time based on viewership? Answer: MASH. This answer may be debated. How many sides does a hexagon have? Answer: 6. What is the capital of Canada? Answer: Ottawa. What is the name of Sherlock Holmes' trusty sidekick? Answer: Dr. John Watson. Which famous novel opens with the line, "It was the best of times"? It was the worst of times. Answer: A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. What is the genre of poetry that tells a story? Answer: narrative poetry. What is the name of the famous painting depicting a woman with a mysterious smile? Which musical instrument is known as the king of instruments? Answer: pipe organ. What is the name of the most famous music festival in the world? Example: Glastonbury Festival. Answer: open-ended allows for discussion on different festivals. How many players are on a basketball team on the court at a time? Answer: 5. What is the highest mountain peak in the world? Trick question. It's not Mount Everest. Answer: Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak above sea level, but the tallest mountain measured from base to peak is Mauna Kea, mostly underwater volcano. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? Answer: a map. What is a chemical formula for water? Answer: H2O. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? This is a philosophical question, but a fun discussion starter. Answer: open-ended, allows for scientific and philosophical debate. In Greek mythology, who is the king of the gods residing on Mount Olympus? Answer: Zeus. What is the holy book of Islam? Answer: Quran. What are the three jewels of Buddhism? Answer: the Buddha, the Dharma teachings, and the Sangha community. Who is credited with inventing the printing press? Answer: Johannes Gutenberg. What scientific theory explains the movement of celestial objects? Answer: gravity by Isaac Newton. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like to our channel.